This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Kathy Stinson. Welcome to 15,715 Rolling Timbers, a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled in the established Bear Creek Village. This property boasts a spacious floor plan and is situated on a large lot adorned with beautiful, mature trees. With easy access to major highways like Highway 290, Interstate 10, and Beltway 8, commuting in and around Houston is a breeze. This family-friendly neighborhood offers amenities such as a neighborhood elementary school zoned to Katy ISD, a park, tennis and pickleball courts, and 2 pools. Inside, you'll find a well-appointed kitchen, a cozy living area with a brick fireplace, and a master bedroom complete with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. The secondary bedrooms are generously sized with ample closet space. Enjoy outdoor living on the great patio overlooking the expansive pool-sized backyard. With no history of flooding, this home is ready for its next owners. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make 15,715 Rolling Timbers your new home sweet home. For more information,